Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss some important questions on nitrogen cycle and nitrogen metabolism. Some brief notes regarding the questions and their related options are also provided here, which will be beneficial for you. So stay tuned in this video. The first question, conversion of ammonia to nitrite and then to nitrate is called option 1, ammonification. Option 2, denitrification. Option 3, assimilation. And option 4, nitrification. And the correct answer is option 4, nitrification. Nitrification is the biological oxidation of ammonia to nitrite followed by the oxidation of nitrite to nitrate occurring through separate organisms or direct. Next question. The free-living aerobic nitrogen-fixing bacteria is option 1, azotobacter. Option 2, nitrobacter. Option 3, nitrosomonas. Option 4, clostridium. And the correct answer is option 1, azotobacter. Next question. Which aquatic form performs nitrogen fixation? Option 1, azolla. Option 2, salvia. Option 3, nostoc. Option 4, salvinia. And the correct answer is option 1, azolla. Azolla, like many species of legumes, harbors a symbiotic microorganism that is capable of reducing atmospheric nitrogen and supplying this fixed nitrogen to the higher plant. The prokaryote associated with azolla is a blue-green algae. The association is Anabaena azolla, which is able to photosynthesize independently. The free-living anaerobic nitrogen-fixing bacteria is option 1, azotobacter. Option 2, nitrobacter. Option 3, nitrosomonas. And option 4 is clostridium. And the correct answer is option 4, clostridium. Clostridium is anaerobic free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria, whereas the azotobacter is a free-living aerobic free-living aerobic nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Okay. Next question. Which one is a symbiotic nitrogen fixer? Option 1, clostridium. Option 2, azotobacter. Option 3, rhizobium. And option 4 is protospirillum. And the correct answer is option 3, rhizobium. The best known group of symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria are rhizobium. Rhizobium is a genus of gram-negative soil bacteria that fix nitrogen. Next, the rhizobium species form an endosymbiotic nitrogen-fixing association with the roots of legumes and other flowering plants. However, two other groups of bacteria, including Frankia and Cyanobacteria, can also fix nitrogen in symbiosis with plants. So some symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria are rhizobium, Frankia, Cyanobacteria. Okay. Next question. The conversion of ammonia to nitrite is done by option 1, pseudomonas, option 2, nitrobacter, option 3, nitrosomonas, and option 4 is none of the above. And the correct answer is option 3, nitrosomonas. So the ammonia it is converted first to nitrite and then to nitrate. Okay. So ammonia first is converted to nitrite and then to nitrate plus. Okay. This conversion of ammonia to nitrate is done by nitrosomonas, and this nitrobacter helps in the conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Okay. Nitrite to Next question. The leghemoglobin creates option 1 anaerobic condition for optimum activity of nitrogenase. Option 2 aerobic condition for optimum activity of nitrogenase. Option 3 required oxygen concentration for optimum activity of nitrogenase. Option 4 is suitable environment for nitrogen fixation. And the correct answer is option 1, that is anaerobic condition for optimum activity of nitrogenase. The nitrogenase is an enzyme that helps in nitrogen fixation. Okay. Leghemoglobin maintains free oxygen concentration that is low enough to allow nitrogen function but high enough total oxygen concentration, free and bound to leghemoglobin for aerobic respiration. Nitrogen fixation is the conversion of nitrogen to ammonia. Option 2 nitrogen to urea. Option 2 ammonia to nitrogen gas. Option 4 is nitrogen gas to nitrate. And the correct answer is option 1 N2 to NH3, that is nitrogen gas to ammonia. In the process of nitrogen fixation, the nitrogen gas present in the atmosphere is converted to ammonia and other related nitrogenous compound. Next question. Majority of nitrogen fixation is occurred by option 1 biological nitrogen fixation, option 2 lightning, option 3 volcanic eruption, and option 4 is Everboard's process. And the correct answer is option 1 biological nitrogen fixation. Biological nitrogen fixation is the energetically expensive and biochemically challenging process conducted by some prokaryotic species that transforms inert nitrogen gas into biologically available ammonium ion. 90% of the nitrogen fixing occurs through nitrogen fixing organisms, that is through biological nitrogen fixation. Formation of organic nitrogen compounds like amino acid from inorganic nitrogen compound is called, that is formation of organic nitrogenous compounds like amino acids from inorganic compound is called option 1 nitrogen fixation, option 2 denitrification, option 3 denitrification, and option 4 is nitrogen assimilation. And the correct answer is option 4, that is nitrogen assimilation. Nitrogen assimilation is the process by which inorganic nitrogen compounds are used to form organic nitrogen compounds such as amino acids, amides, etc. Plants and other organisms which cannot utilize nitrogen molecules directly depend on the absorption of nitrogen as nitrites or ammonia. Next question. The products of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodule of nitrogenous plant is or are option 1 ammonia alone, option 2 nitrate alone, option 3 ammonia and oxygen, option 4 ammonia and hydrogen. And the correct answer is option 4 ammonia and hydrogen. The reaction is N2 plus 8H plus 8 E electron minus plus 16 Mg ATP. It is converted to NH3 plus H2 plus 16 Mg ADP plus 16 Pi, that is 16 inorganic phosphate. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out option 1 nitrogen fixation, option 2 denitrification, option 3 nitrification, and option 4 is all of the above. And the correct answer is option 2 denitrification. Denitrification is the process in which nitrates present in the soil are reduced to nitrogen gas. The bacteria that help in this process are thiobacillus and pseudomonas. Ammonia oxidizer and nitrate oxidizers are option 1 gram-negative chemoautotrophs, option 2 gram-negative photolithotropes, option 3 gram-positive chemolithotropes, and option 4 gram-positive photolithotropes. And the correct answer is option 1 gram-negative chemoautotrophs. Nitrosomonas and nitrobacter are chemoautotrophic organisms that are found in the soil and water and are responsible for oxidation of ammonia to nitrite, it is caused by nitrosomonas, and nitrate to nitrate. The nitrite to nitrate conversion is occurred by nitrobacter. Next question. Roots of which plant contains red pigment which have high affinity for oxygen? Option 1 carrot, option 2 soybean, option 3 mustard, and option 4 is radish. And the correct answer is option 2 soybean. Nitrifying bacteria that oxidize ammonia to nitrate. Option 2 convert free nitrogen to nitrogen compounds. Option 3 reduce nitrite to nitrogen gas. Option 4 convert proteins to ammonia. And the correct answer is option 1, that is oxidize ammonia to nitrate. Nitrification is the biological oxidation of ammonia to nitrite followed by the oxidation of nitrite to nitrate occurring through separate organisms or direct ammonia oxidation to nitrate in a Common-Mox bacteria. The transformation of ammonia to nitrite is usually rate limiting step of nitrification. Nitrification is an important step in the nitrogen cycle in soil. Nitrification is an anaerobic process that is performed by small groups of autotrophic bacteria and archaea. Next question. Nitrogenase enzyme catalyzes the option 1 ATP dependent reduction of dinitrogen to ammonia, option 2 ATP independent reduction of dinitrogen to ammonia, option 3 ATP dependent reduction of dinitrogen to nitrate, and option 4 none of the above. And the correct answer is option 1, that is ATP dependent reduction of dinitrogen, that is N2, to ammonia, that is NH3. Next question. Nitrogenase enzyme is encoded by option 1 NEET genes, option 2 NOT genes, option 3 POL genes, and option 4 is TRP genes. And the correct answer is option 1 NEET genes. NEET genes are genes encoding enzymes involved in the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen into a form of nitrogen available to living organisms. The primary enzyme encoded by the NEET gene is the nitrogenase complex. The NEET genes are found in both free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria and in symbiotic bacteria associated with various plants. The expression of NEET genes is induced as a response to low concentration of fixed nitrogen and oxygen concentration. The low oxygen concentrations are actively maintained in the root environment of host plants. All nitrogenase enzymes are option 1 one component system, option 2 two component system, option 3 three component system, and option 4 four component system. And the correct answer is option 2 two component system. All nitrogenase enzymes are two component systems made up of component 1 also known as dinitrogenase and component 2 also known as dinitrogenase reductase. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.